LeetCoder here, back with another video. Today we got a LeetCode question 1492. Like always, make sure you guys like and subscribe. So let's get into it. The question is, you're given two positive integers, n and k. A factor of an integer n is defined as an integer I where n modulus I is equal to 0. Consider all factors of n sorted in ascending order. Return the kth factor in this list, or return -1 if n has less than k factors. Basically, all it's saying is all the factors of n and return whatever the index is. So let's get to it. First, I want, in this example, right, we can see n is equal to 12, k is equal to 3, out is 3. Since the factorial list is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. And what I want to start with is a new array where we can store all the factors. Then I want to iterate through all the numbers between 1 and whatever our target is, which is n. But as you guys know, in for I in range, it only goes up to 1 minus n, right? So we're going to do +1 to get the correct value. Now we want to check if n modulus I is equal to 0. We want to store this number inside our new array. So we can do factors.append. I'm going to say I. Now this should be it, basically. Now we want to check our two edge cases to return the kth factor or -1. So let's say if k is greater than the len of factors, we want to return -1. Else, we want to return factors at k. But since we know all arrays start at 0 and end at the number before it, n. So in this case, it'll be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For example, 1. We want to just return k minus 1, since we know it starts at 0. So let's double check this, make sure we didn't forget anything. This all looks good to me. And let's run it. For I in range, what did I mess up here? Indentation error. Oh. Get this right. 1, 2. Let's get this one right too. 1, 2. And I believe this should now work. Perfect. As you can see, all 3 test cases passed. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, make sure you guys like and subscribe. Leave any comments in the comment section. And of course, Stoner Coder is out.